We keep hearing about quantum computing, but most people think it's decades away. But the truth is, it's already here, and it's going to completely reshape how businesses operate. In this video, I'll explain what quantum computing is in under 60 seconds, so you can sound smart when people bring it up. Then I'll show you 5 industries that are going to be impacted sooner than you think and how you can use this knowledge to make money. Let's go. Okay, first, a really simple analogy. Imagine you're trying to solve a maze. A normal computer would try one path at a time, and it would take a long time to find the solution. A quantum computer, though, can try millions of paths at once, drastically speeding up the process. That's why it's said that quantum computers are going to completely change the world. They can solve problems that take years today in just a few minutes. But the best part is that we don't need to build these quantum computers. Companies like IBM and Google are already working on them. We can simply use their tools and services to get the results we need. So let me show you 5 industries that will be impacted sooner than you think, and how you can use this to your advantage. So, first, finance. In the finance industry, risk modeling and fraud detection are crucial. Quantum algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, identifying patterns and making predictions about future behavior. This can help financial institutions make better decisions about lending money, investing, and managing risk. For example, let's say you're a bank and you want to lend money to someone. You would look at their credit history, income, and other factors to decide whether or not they're a good candidate. But what if you had a way to predict whether or not they were likely to default on their loan? That would be extremely valuable. Quantum computing could help you do that by analyzing patterns in historical data that you might not have noticed otherwise. The same goes for fraud detection. Banks and credit card companies lose billions of dollars each year to fraud. But quantum algorithms could help them spot fraudulent transactions in real time by identifying anomalies in spending patterns. Next, healthcare. Quantum computing is also going to revolutionize the healthcare industry. Drug discovery and personalized medicine are 2 areas where quantum algorithms can make a big impact. Right now, it takes years and billions of dollars to bring a new drug to market. But quantum computers could speed up the process by simulating the interaction between drugs and easy molecules to identify the most promising candidates for further testing. This could mean new treatments for diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Personalized medicine is another area where quantum computing could have an impact. By analyzing a patient's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors, quantum algorithms could help doctors develop customized treatment plans that are more effective and have fewer side effects. Next, logistics. Supply chain optimization is a big challenge for businesses today. Quantum computing can help by finding the most efficient routes for deliveries, reducing waste, and improving customer service. For example, let's say you run an e-commerce business. You need to get your products from your warehouse to your customers as quickly and cheaply as possible. Quantum algorithms could help you optimize your shipping routes, reduce the number of trucks you need to use, and even determine the best time to ship each order. So you may be thinking, this is all great, but it's not going to impact my business. Well, think again. Quantum computing will impact every industry sooner than most people expect. And the businesses that adopt this technology early will have a competitive edge. Don't wait until your competitors do to figure out how you can use quantum computing to improve your business. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you don't need to build your own quantum computer. But you should be aware of the tools and services that are available and how they can help you solve your business problems. There are already many tools and services that entrepreneurs can use to take advantage of quantum computing. For example, IBM's Quantum Experience allows users to access and run experiments on real quantum computers. Another example is the Healthcare Business Quantum Accelerator, which helps companies in the healthcare industry use quantum computing to solve problems like drug discovery and personalized medicine. Now, I know this might seem like science fiction, but the truth is, quantum computing is already here and it's going to change the world. Don't be left behind. Subscribe for more simple breakdowns of future tech for business owners. See you next time.